guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi, and today video about the in-depth full glam makeup tutorial. Stunning full glam makeup looks. So how to get like this result, I will show you step by step. So guys, without delay, let's begin. So I'm not promoting any products in this video. Please do not focus any products what I use. You can use whatever beauty products have you got according to your skin types and conditions, but please focus on the application techniques and the how to eye layers. Very important to do skincare before you start any makeup. First apply serum with SPF 15. Then apply moisturizing cream to keep my skin hydrating. Next, apply lip balm to keep my lip plump and smooth. Apply eye cream for the reduce puffiness, reduce fine lines and keep hydrating. First application, apply the cream contour and apply in the forehead, cheekbone and jawline. So you can see how I applied it, and use the contour synthetic brush and pat in. Second application is the full coverage concealer and apply in the under eyes, forehead, chin. This is a places are, and use the beauty blender and blend out till the seamless. Now whatever left in the beauty blender, blend top of the contour where you applied and diffuse it. So guys, still you can see the contour underneath, how beautiful blend out. Third application is cream blush. And this is how to I placed it. Next, blend with the same brush which is I use for the contour. So guys, this is looking crazy at the moment, but trust me, the process. Use this same beauty blender. It's already with a full width concealer, and blend and diffuse it. So you can see guys how the melts. Next, apply brighter concealer just in the side of the nose for the brightness. For the blend, use the small brush or blender and blend from side of the nose till the brow bone like a snatch or lifting effect. Next, I'm doing eyebrow and I'm using microfine pencil and just going to fill the sparse area. Next, I'm using same concealer and clean the eyebrow area and apply in the eyelid as well. So after everything blend out, you can see the concealer placement, contour placement, blush placement, and how to blend out and techniques. And I use cream and liquid products. And choose your favorite setting powder and set the under eyes, near nose, T-zone before get those fine lines, and apply thin layers. And dust out excess amount of the powder properly. Next, apply baking powder for the brightness, but don't keep it long. Don't want to bake, otherwise can get dry skin. And dust out remaining powder completely. Next, apply powder bronzer for the add more sun-kissed effects. Same bronzer I'm applying in the eye crease, lid, and using small brush for the application. So start from the nose, eyebrow bone, tail, keep blending forward and backward and create snatch and lifting effects. So you can see the contour matching forehead, eyebrow bone and cheekbone in details and depth, and application of the concealer and brightness. Next, whatever left bronzer in the brush, I'm going to apply in the side of the nose very slightly. Next, using a small flat brush and using same bronzer and apply in the lower lash and smoke out. Next, apply eye pencil, mascara, eyeliner and fake eyelashes to complete eye makeup. Next, apply highlighter. Next, doing combo lip makeup. First, apply lip liner and liquid lipstick. Finally, apply makeup setting spray for the long-lasting makeup and let it dry. So this is my final look, in-depth, full glam, stunning makeup look. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments and share the video. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.